Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to change your debit card on Zelle. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch a Zelle account, which of course I've done right here. Now let's quickly run through what Zelle is about. Zelle is a great way to send money to friends and family, even if they bank somewhere different than you do. That means it's super easy to get paid back or split the cost of things like dinner. With Zelle, the money goes directly into your bank account. And when money goes into your bank account directly, you can live delightfully. Zelle is already in lots of banking apps, so look for it in yours today. So now that we know a bit of what Zelle is about, let's quickly hop into today's task, which is how to change my debit card on Zelle. The first thing you like to do is to create a Zelle account. How do you do that? Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type zellepay.com. That's going to take you to this official website. Navigate towards the right corner of your screen and click on Get Started to follow through the process to sign up. After creating your account, here is what you can do to change or update your debit card on Zelle. The first thing you like to do is to tap on the settings gear icon in the upper left corner of the Zelle app home screen. You can even do that on the website itself. So once you click on the settings gear, you're going to see a couple options, and one of them is going to include account. So click on account, and from the account option, you can change your debit card by selecting switch account. So click on the settings gear icon, select account, and select switch account. Then you'll be prompted to do a couple things, to follow a couple steps. Just follow the prompts to add your new debit card. It's self-explanatory. You may enroll only one debit card within the Zelle app to send and receive money. You will not be able to enroll a business debit card, credit card, card linked to an international account, gift card, or prepaid cards from financial institutions that do not offer Zelle to their customers. Now, if you're still getting an error in getting that done after clicking on settings, account, and switch accounts, it may be that your card is not currently able to receive money. All right. This is called Fast Funds Enabled. You can verify if your card is Fast Funds Enabled by reaching out to the support number on the back of the card. Typically, when sending and receiving money with Zelle, if the recipient is already enrolled, the money will be available in minutes. Some debit cards are not able to receive money in minutes. Those debit cards cannot be used with Zelle. So this is pretty much the process. You can go over to start from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.